Okay, take 32. I've been trying to get this video together for quite a while, and hopefully this is the last take. So, what I got for you today is the new Ultra Build version 2.1, and you're going to install it using the Ultra Wizard, and we're going to show you how to do it now. Now, before we get started though, if you haven't installed the Ultra Wizard 2.0, then go back, look at my video on how to install that, because you're going to need that. Well, let's just assume you got it, so let's go ahead and look at what we got to do. Here's the build as it stands now that you would have installed before with the Ultra Wizard 2.0, and this is what it looks like. And you roll through here, looks pretty familiar, it's getting a little broke down, time to update. So, right over here in the music section, down here to the right is Ultra Wizard 2.0. Click on that. You're going to open up the wizard. And right here in the build section, click there. And then right here is the new Ultra Build version 2.1. Click on that. You're going to go ahead and click Fresh Install. And then click Continue. Now it's going to go ahead and wipe that thing clean so we can get the new build on there and enjoy it. So it'll take it a second here, clears out all the old files, and now it'll start the download. Okay, I'll join back with you when this thing's about done downloading, because it's going to take a few minutes. Okay, looks like we're about to wrap up the download. And as you can see now, it starts the install. Now, during this time, don't touch any buttons or anything. Just let it work. It'll only take this about a minute. You can see how fast it's going. Almost done. Okay, now we want to click on Force Close, and let's reopen. There's the new build. Now it's going to take it a few minutes to go ahead and populate. So let's just give it a few minutes. I'll catch you back here in a second. Okay, looks like we're about ready to go. Everything's filling in very nicely. And there's the new build. You can see we've got movie section, 5 programs in the submenu, same 5 add-ons for TV shows. Under System, this is where you'll shut down power when you want to close Kodi. A few other things here in the submenu, handy for those that want to go ahead and modify their Kodi setup. And in the favorite section, we got 3 really great all-in-one add-ons right here. Check them out. YouTube's right here, and here's the Ultra Wizard. Make sure you check out the next video, because I'm going to show you something in the Ultra Wizard that's going to be just great. You're gonna be able to add some other programs other than Kodi that are working great, and you're really going to enjoy it. Thanks a lot.